guys, today we're going to be doing a firework unboxing video. Please subscribe and hit that little bell. So let's get into it. So
they changed Royal High.
Oh yeah.
Burger Mystery.
So the first one, we got 2 packs of
magical Roman candles.
All of these explode at the end.
Yep.
So oh my, I'm gonna put everything to the side on the bottom. So now we have neon sparklers. They're heavy to be, there's like 3 of them. So now we have sparklers, normal ones. And these ones shoot 2 at a time. Double parachute. It's probably going to be backwards, but yeah. So, wait, what are these ones? Oh yeah, these are the red poppers, the ones that you can't go in your hand and squeeze. Comment if you do that with normal poppers. Wait, how did these open?
Oh, I opened those.
Why?
I just want to see what they were.
So we got 2 packs of these, but I'm just gonna show one.
Like the whole pack,
I'm just gonna show
one.
Yeah.
I opened 1 pack, so
I know. These are called snakes. So it's glow worms, magic black worms, magic colored worms, fun colored snakes. Oh my God, yeah, that's right. The other one. Oh, I'll show you. I'll leave my favorite one for last. We have big fireworks, but it's outside, so I'm not gonna get them. So let me get all of these. Where are they? Yeah, I probably left some more. So we got 4 tanks, I think. Maybe there's some in there, but we're gonna make an army, boy. So we got 4 tanks. Get these ones and these ones. So I'm gonna put the tanks on the table. Oh, so these are called lightning flashes, bright flashing strobe effect, yeah. And we got 2 of them, and they're 6 pieces each. 6 pieces each, so we got 12. So we got another worm pack, but it's open. Snakes. Yeah, the snakes. Okay, we got 2 packs of crackle balls. Oh, our best ones are coming. This is how they made the Kobe thing on TikTok. Well, we don't have it though. And I used to have it. I don't know why.
Like the Kobe smoke thing.
So we got red and pink ammo smoke. So you light it and you hold it in your hand and it does smoke. I want to see if we put it in our big launcher thing, and I want to see if it flies in the air if I put it upside down and I light it. So I light it, put it in there, and it goes up. But I bet there's something with the fireworks, right? I think it wouldn't work.
Yeah, it's not.
And wait, is there any more? Okay, that was our video, guys.
There was blue, but there wasn't.
3 minutes? Wow, that was quick as heck. So bye, guys.